Hello everyone, you're watching EngLango and this is your instructor Hamid Talash with one of the most essential topic, modal verbs. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about may and might, the difference between both of them and their usages. May is a modal verb which is used for permission, request. We can also use it for possibilities, and we use it for best wishes and prayer. On the other hand, we are using might to express doubtful possibilities, request, permission. We are using might that for. Let's learn about them. May is used for permission. May I come in? May I use your marker? May I take your class? This is permission, that you make it with may. On the other hand, with might, when we are asking for permission, it means that is more polite than may. For example, might I take your pen? Might I enter to the class? Might I have your marker? So this is more polite than may. It is also used for request. When we are making request, we are using may and might both. Now, we are asking for request. For example, may I have your smartphone to make a call? May I use your camera to make a video? May I have your bike to ride on? This is how we are using may. But may is less polite as compared to might. We are using, the same request with might, so it is more formal and polite. For example, might I have a glass of water? Might I take your pen? Might I take your notebook to write in? That's how we are using may and might for request. May is used to describe possibilities. For example, my friend is outside, he may come to the class. She is in the ice cream shop, she may take ice cream. He is with me, he may come for dinner. Now, may is used for possibilities. It is cloudy, it may rain. On the other hand, we are using might for expressing doubtful possibilities. For example, he runs more, he might be healthy. He takes English language classes, he might speak better English. She takes writing classes, she might write well. Now, it is doubtful possibility that you are expressing. With may, we are also expressing best wishes and prayers. For example, someone is ill and you are going to go for, or he has, status on the WhatsApp. You're going to respond the status, your best friend. May Allah Almighty bestow you good health. May you recover soon. Or you are asking for best wishes. For example, your friend has an exam and you're saying, may you score well. May you have good grades. May you shine well. That's how we are using may and might. They both modal verbs has different usage. And in today's tutorial, you learned about them. In coming tutorial, I'm going to teach you other modal verbs. Keep watching them, keep learning, keep shining. Have a great time for now. If you have any query, you're most welcome to ask me. Stay blessed.